Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, hi, I'm Jess and I'm a cruelty-free makeup YouTuber person, and today I am doing a tutorial on this smoky spotlight. I'm doing a tutorial on this makeup look, so if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. So like every tutorial that I do, this side's already done, so we're going to be focusing on this side just to keep this tutorial short and sweet. And for this entire eyeshadow look, I'm just using the Barry M Wildlife Tiger eyeshadow palette. This is in like a collaboration partnership with the David Shepherd Wildlife Foundation, and 40% of each palette, 40% of the profits will go to the wildlife charity, and specifically in this case to look after tigers, the kitty cats of the world. So for this entire look, like I said, I've just used this entire palette except for like Snarl and Savannah and Jungle. All the others I have used on this eyeball, so let's get stuck in. Eyelid is set, ready to go. So the first colour I'm going to go into is this colour called Pounce, and this is a matte burgundy maroon shade. I'm just going to stick it all in my crease. So you should be left with something like this, like a crescent situation on the lid. I have hooded eyes, so I do use my natural crease, but bring it a little bit higher as well. But now I'm going to blend that crease colour out with Ferocious, which is this colour like burnt orange matte shade. And like I said, I'm just going to buff that out. These eyeshadow colours are so vibrant and so pigmented that even though I've buffed it out, I still need to soften that edge a little bit more. So for that I'm going to go into Pearl, which is this like matte, kind of like cream ivory shade. I'm just going to blend that orange out. So now that we have a more softer blend, I'm now going to go into the inner and outer corner with the shade Proud, which is this dark matte like chocolate colour, just to deepen both inner and outer corner. Next is to do the centre portion of this spotlight look. So for that I'm going to go back into my Shape Tape concealer by Tarte. I love this concealer for literally everything from my cut creases to my lid bases to actually concealing these non-designer under eye bags. So once I'm happy with the shape of my spotlight, my cut crease situation, I'm going to go back into Proud, which was the inner and outer corner. I'm just going to buff out that concealer just a little bit because we don't want any harsh lines. We want everything to like transition seamlessly. Yeah, just using the same brush, I'm just going to pat that brown onto where the concealer line is and then just start to buff it out. So now that I'm left with this situation, I'm now going to put my centre colour on, which was this beautiful bronzy gold shade, and that is the shade Kingdom, a really gorgeous metallic bronzy gold, and I think it's just such a cute pop of colour just for the centre with this entire look. I'm just going to pack that colour right on the centre, putting it over that brown a little bit. Don't worry, we're going to buff that out right after. And just go back into Proud just to buff that brown and go together. So now that we're left with something like this on the lid, so now I'm going to go back into these 3 colours and stick them on my lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with Proud, then Pounce, then Ferocious, essentially the 3 matte colours that we've already used. Just to mirror, just to mirror. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to go into Feline, which is this gorgeous like metallic snow shade. I'm going to put that on my inner corner and underneath my brow. To finish the eye look off is mascara and lashes. So for mascara, I'm going to go into the Laura Geller Glamlash Dramatic Volumizer Mascara. And for lashes, these are my new favourites. I've used these like a handful of times and quite frankly they are my new favourites. Hands down. And these are by Makeup Revolution. These are the Wispy lashes in number 7 Fantasy. They're really, really cute and the packaging is to die for. And they're only £3. So get yourself some because these are amazing. So I'm going to do lashes and mascara off camera and I'll be right back to do the rest of this makeup. So I'm back with lashes. While this lash is still drying down, I'm going to move on to the face makeup. And for that, I'm going to start off with primer. This is the Pixi by Petra Flawless Beauty Primer, and this is going to give me more of a hydrated, radiant, glowy feeling, like I've been on holiday when realistically it's just been raining here and it's been rather miserable over Christmas. So I'm going for a radiance primer today, and just using a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to kind of like pounce that into my skin. You can already see it gives me a bit of a more of a glowy, radiance look. Now that I'm looking like a brand new shiny penny, I am now going to go into my foundation, and this is a matte foundation, hence the Radiance Primer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation in the shade Fair Neutral. This is also probably a little bit too light for me as well. Maybe. But this is a doll foot applicator, which I love for foundations recently. Been loving that, and I'm just going to do that to my face. So we're just going to go in with my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to pounce that out. For concealer, I'm going to go into the Shape Tape concealer. You've already seen this. This is in the shade Fair Beige, and I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes, a bit on my forehead, down my nose and chin, and a little bit left for good measure. So now I'm going to set my under eyes and my T-zone a little bit on my chin just to keep me matte and to stop things breaking away and running away and melting away and everything else. So for that I'm going to go into the Revolution Lace Setting Powder. I'm using a small brush. I'm just going to set my face. To warm the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with bronzer. And for that, I'm going to go into the MUA Glow Bronzer in Golden Dunes. I'm just going to warm up the rest of my face. Next is blush, and for that I'm going to go into this little guy right here, and this is the Amazonian Clay 12 Hour Blush in the shade Thrill. We're going for more of a nude neutral kind of blush today, and I've been vibing taking my blush pretty high up, like 80s style, and I'm not even mad about it, so that's what we're gonna do. And whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to swipe over the rest of my face, because I've just been loving blush recently. Next is my favourite part, highlights! This is the Glow MUA Highlight Kit in Golden Delight, and I'm going to go into the lighter shade, more of the bronzy gold shade, and drown myself in highlight like I always do. So for lips, I'm going to go into the Lottie London Slay All Day Lip Kit in the shade Work It. I love this packaging, super cute. Just going to overdraw my lips because I kind of need lip fillers, but I kind of don't want to get lip fillers because I can't afford to get lip fillers and I don't like needles. We'll go with the whole makeup illusion. Now for the lipstick. Come on then. Come up here then. And this is the finished look. My cat is down here begging me for food. It's clearly dinner time. But everything that I use will be listed below for you guys as always. Everything is cruelty free as always on this channel. Hello. I know, I'm coming. I swear I'm coming. If you did like this video, please click the thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell button to be notified when I upload, which is every Tuesday. I can't get my words out either. It's definitely dinner time. Yeah, hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!